Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to open a closed DM on Discord. So first, what you want to do, search for Discord data download, just like so. Once you're there, click this one, the first link. As you can see, here's the instructions. Like if you would like to request a copy of the personal data you've given us, go to user settings, privacy and safety, and request all of my data. So what you need to go is with the user settings right here, privacy and safety. Scroll down, as you can see, there's request all of my data button here, or section. So request my data right here. It may take up to 30 days, so you will need to wait. So once you're done with that, you just need to wait for the email of Discord. And if you have the data already, you just need to go to the file manager and basically extract that data particularly, and you could potentially find the deleted or closed DMs in your Discord. So requesting your data may take up to 30 days to process, and you can't make a request while a request is pending. So make sure to check on your email often so that they could check the data, or if the Discord has sent your data already. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.